Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so very much for being here. So today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree. What I found at Dollar Tree today, I found a couple new things, I think. Yeah, a couple new things. And then I'm also going to be filming another video after this of what I bought at Target today. So you're going to see two videos today because I have so many hauls. I have things that have come in the mail that I need to show you, all these things. So I want to show you because I have to, some of the stuff I got today at Target is for Easter baskets. And I think I'm going to be filming what I got my kids for Easter on Saturday. So I hope to film that on Saturday. So you'll see what I got my kids on Easter. I was trying to get that done earlier this week or last week, but I've just kept ordering things and they keep coming in, and so I want to have it all put together before I show you guys. So like I said, Saturday should be when you're gonna see what I got my kids for Easter. Okay, so I'm really excited for you guys to see what I put together. So all right, so like I said, it'll be Dollar Tree today and Target, and then tomorrow I have other hauls to show you. So I'm really excited. All right. So anyways, also I want to show you before I start is that I'm wearing this necklace, and this is from my great grandmother, Ella. And so this came all the way from Wisconsin, and I treasure it. So she had some really beautiful jewelry, and I was able to have this. And I never got to meet her, but she was an incredible human and person. I've heard so many, her story was amazing. So anyways, I'm so thrilled to have this, and I feel like I have a piece of my great grandmother with me when I wear this. I really do. So anyways, all right, so let's go ahead and get into this Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so yay. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is I did get one of these. I only had one. I would have gotten four, but he's super cute, still super full of air. So I was making sure it wasn't kind of deflated or anything like that, but no, super full of air. And so I am going to be doing 4 Easter baskets for the kids, and then one for them to share with a combined Easter basket. And so I think this will be from the Easter Bunny, it'll be all cute. So I thought this was really cute. So I found this at Dollar Tree today. Yeah. So he's really cute and happy, and I love him. So that's the first time I've ever seen a balloon like this. I thought that was fun. The next thing I picked up was just some napkins, your basic 150 count napkins. So I did get those. Then I got this for my son. So I think he'll really like this. This is for his Easter basket. So yeah, I think that, I feel like I might have bought this a few years ago. I can't remember. It says includes stickers. So I'm really excited to see how this works. I think it'll work good. It's made out of foam. It's a foam plane. So I don't want to be too loud because I don't want him to hear me. But yeah, I think this is going to be really great. 22-inch wingspan. So, and here's a better picture right here. So I'm excited, yeah, to found that. Then, excited for that bag, yeah. Then we have this bag. I got quite a few goodies, you guys. So I did pick up some VO5 volumizing shampoo, and so this works really well. Volumizing shampoo, I was told by one of my hairstylist friends that volumizing shampoo works really well for oily hair. So if you have oily hair, it helps helps with the oil. So the volumizing shampoos, just not necessarily this brand, but just volumizing shampoos. And I've tried this before for one of my kids, and it works really well on them. So yeah, they really like it for their hair. So yeah, I always pick it up when I can at Dollar Tree. I was at Winco the other day, and they didn't have the volumizing one at Winco, so I was surprised. They had all the other VO5s, but not this one at Winco. Okay. I got this because I do like these multi-surface wipes. I need some more window wipes for my to clean my windows and mirrors and that type of thing. It says it's a grapefruit scent this time. Let me see if I can actually smell it. Let's see. Oh, okay. I don't know if it's always been grapefruit. Yeah, I can smell that grapefruit. So, and you get 24 count in there, and I don't know. I like cleaning with wipes, so versus spraying and cleaning. Like I like spraying and paper towel. I like the wipes usually better for me. All right, so then I picked this up for my daughter. She just loves these facial wipes. So I did pick up another package of the Bolaro, and you get, how many in here? 32 count in there. So she loves this one. So, and then again, it has the flip top. It's the Orange Blossom Soothing Facial Wipes. Keeps skin smooth and, or excuse me, keeps skin calm and smooth. It's Orange Blossom Cucumber, 32 count. Okay, I also picked up this drop cloth just to have on hand, so when we're painting, or you know, so it's 9 feet by 12 feet, and $1 is a really good deal. So I just wanted to grab one of those to have in like my toolkit. And yeah, so it's a huge, actually, 9 feet by 12 feet. That's huge. Lightweight, drop cloth, clear plastic. Okay, so I got that. Then I picked up another one of these. I still haven't tried actually, I take that back. Tonight I have a load going right now with this one in it for the first time. So I'll see if I like it, but I wanted to grab one more because I think it's so cute. The little bottle is super cute, and also I just think I really will like it. The smell smells really nice. I'm just, again, hoping I'm not allergic to this Tide, because I don't know if you saw my last video, but I'm allergic to the orange one, the orange bottle of Tide. Wish I wasn't, because it smells so good and it really cleans your clothes really well, in my opinion. So I'm hoping that this one is the, oh, wait, this is, I think, different. No, maybe not. This is Tide plus Simply Oxy. Attack stains, odor out, low price, refreshing breeze. You get 6 loads, and it works with the high efficiency washers. So it smells so clean. I mean, nothing smells like Tide. Tide, it definitely has its own scent. It smells so good. As far as like laundry detergents, I can always pick out Tide out of all the laundry detergents. Now the next thing I picked up is a like a cat brush or a doggy brush. It's called a pet brush. They're just saying pet brush. But I thought this would be great to have. It's got 2 sides to it, and it's really a nice pet brush. So yeah, I got that. It looks just like a human hairbrush. I mean, it really does, but it says pet brush. So wouldn't that be nice if we had hairbrushes that had like 2 sides to it? I'm just thinking about that right now. I know that's like a random thought, but it would be kind of nice because, you know, sometimes you need 2 different things going with your brushes. So yeah. Then I picked up this cutie patootie because we get frogs in the summertime around our house, and I think he's so cute. They had, I think, they had several different ones. They had, I can't remember now. I think it was something like going like that on its face, like, I don't know what it was. And another one. There's like 2 or 3 different designs, but he lights up. Now I did check, some of them weren't working, so maybe they weren't charged. But this one actually works. If I hit on, there it goes. The lights, you can see the lights. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's not fully charged. It's a solar light. But isn't he cute? And there's his little back with his solar. And you can see the little panel there. And he's just really cute. He's going to go in like my front yard. Because like I said, we get frogs in the summertime. They're hilarious. Like they're like climbing on our front windows. Like they're everywhere in the summertime. Our whole neighborhood gets these frogs. It's like so funny. And they're really cute. They're really cute. Okay. Then, you guys, so I can't find the Easter basket cellophane that I bought and hauled and showed you guys. You know, the Easter basket, the Easter pattern cellophane wrap to put your basket in. So I searched everywhere. I don't know. I must have accidentally thrown it away because they're really thin. Maybe it was in a bag and I threw it away. So I did find these, thankfully, because Dollar Tree was completely out. And I'm gonna search again. I'm still gonna look high and low for those bags because it bothers me that like they could be like right under me and I can't find them. You know what I mean? But in the meanwhile, I'll have these for backups in case I cannot find them. So this is basket bags. You get 2 in a pack, and I'm so thankful they have these. I know they're not Easter at all, but I have Easter ribbon. I can wrap around it and it'll work. It'll work if I have to use the red, or it's like a pink, I guess. So yeah. Anyway, it's 24 inches by 30 inches. I'm hoping this is tall enough for my baskets. That's the only thing I'm hoping. Anyway, so 2 pieces in there. And I found this over by, first they had it by the front of the store near like the plates. And then I found, but then I went over to the party section by like the paper plates, like the napkins, party napkins and stuff, and they're hanging on chip clips. So I saw them over there as well, just in this color. So that's all I could find. But yeah, I cannot believe I can't find it. It's like bugging me, you know? It's like, I know it's here somewhere. And then I picked up another pack of batteries. Oh yeah, I picked up this. I'm really excited to try this. This is a flashlight keychain. Really excited to try this. They come in different colors. I think they had blue, purple, like 3 or 4 other colors besides this color. But this looks really nice. And you know, like if I'm out at night and I need to see my keys or whatever, it's 100 lumens. I'll go ahead and, oh, it has a high, low, excuse me. I was putting 2 words together. It has 3 modes, high, low, and strobe. So let me go ahead and open that up and take a look, see what it does. Okay, do I have to do a pull tab? Is there a pull tab here? So far, I'm not seeing a pull tab. Let's see. What? What? Okay, let me see here. Oh, okay, you guys. No, it takes, okay, that's a bummer, actually. I thought I would have a pull tab. No, it takes 3 AAA batteries. So I won't be able to, because I don't have 3 AAA batteries over here right now, but it's super lightweight. But yeah, with the batteries, it'll be heavier. But anyway, so I want to show you that. Then I got to these. I thought these were so cute. I don't know, I might use it to like put water out for birds, like for like a bird feeder, like for water for birds, or I might use it for, you know, planting things. It's a garden dish, you guys. Isn't that so nice? And I got 2 of them because I was like, these are really cool, like really super cool. I think they're nice, like depth to them. And I know it might be kind of hard to see because they're clear. Let me put my glasses on. But they're a big size. Let me see if it has the measurements on here. Let's see. No measurements. Okay. So you can see though, it's really nice. Like if I were to put like my little frog guy in there, you can see how he sits in there. There we go. So you can see for depth. Yeah. Like I said, this is a big planter pot or planter plate or whatever you want to call this. It's called a garden dish. So yeah, I got 2 of them. Yeah, so I think that's something new, you know? I think it's something new there. And then I did get some more plates, the 30 count. And then I also picked up this puzzle. I think it's going to go in one of my kids' Easter basket. I think it's so adorable, you guys. It's the Disney Cinderella. It says, I'm having a ball. It's a 500-piece puzzle. And so I thought that would be really fun. 500 piece. So it might go in the Easter basket for one of my kids. Like I said, I don't know yet. And then here's the back, what it looks like when I guess it's put together. So pretty, huh? It'll be really cute. Then I have a couple more things to show you. I did get 2 more of these. I really like these, you guys. I really like these to for my cats. I think these work really good. It says dog grooming mitt, but I use it on my cats, and they really like it. So it's just like a kind of like a brush, but it's like on a glove. And you know, let me put my hand in there and I'll show you. I was so excited to see them there again today because I haven't seen them in a while. So it has 2 sides. I've never used this side. I like this side. It's like, you know, you just gently, it works so nice, you know, and yeah, it's really, this is a great value. And it says dog grooming mitt, so you could use it on your dogs as well. So I did end up getting 2 of those because, like I said, I really like them a lot. So I got those, and again, that's the back side. Okay, the last couple items are, I picked up these. So these might go in one of my youngest daughter's Easter basket. She was talking about these. She saw them on YouTube. A YouTuber was showing these. I don't know which YouTuber it was, but she had mentioned these because I was saying the other day, I was like, do you want to go to Dollar Tree? She's like, yeah, I want to look for those, you know, cups that have like whatever this was. I knew what she was talking about when she explained this. So I think that I might just, I know she's, you know, she doesn't need this because she's old enough, like she doesn't need it, but I think it's cute, and like it's cute for snacking, you know. And so I picked up 2. They have like a pink one, I think, and then like 2 or 3 designs. And yeah, I think this would be really good for like car trips, because look at this. Even like, I mean, you put your like goldfish in there or whatever, and you know, it has a little thing where things don't fall out. So it's a cute little like snack cup for like to travel or with or whatever. And she thought it was cool, so I wanted to get it for her. So yeah, I was like, you know, I thought it was like a great deal actually. So it has a little whale on it. It's so cute, right? So I want to show you that. And I ended up getting 2 because I think my son would think it's fun too, just to have, just not to use all the time, but just like for, you know, just for fun, like I said. So, and it holds quite a bit of stuff. Let me see how it, let me see if I can get this open. Uh-oh, this one's not wanting, oh, there we go. Okay. So, does it unscrew? How do you get the top off? Let's see. Oh yeah, it unscrews. Okay. So to get it off, you have to unscrew it. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, I understand now. So that's that, right? And this is it's called snack storage. Okay, and this is Greenbrier. Yeah, Greenbrier. So really cool little item. And then the last thing I picked up, I'm so excited, are these cute jewelry earrings. These are so cute, the tortoiseshell. In fact, they match my tortoiseshell glasses. I'm just thinking about that now. But they're really cute hoops, and they had a bunch of different selections of earrings, but I ended up choosing the hoops because I need some more hoops. So these were so cute. I'll take them out of the plastic so you can see them better without a glare. There we go. So anyway, right? So cute, like really cute. I don't know if it's gonna show, like it's hard to, I'll go ahead and try it on and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll show you, because I like all earrings, as you guys know, but it's fun to wear hoops every now and then too. So here it is. So that's what it looks like on. Let me see. Yep, I can't see. I gotta look at it with these glasses. It's all a blur. Out there is all a blur. Okay, so what do you guys think? I think it's cute. So yes, all right guys, so that is it for what I bought at DT today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys so much, so very much. Thank you so much for being here. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video for now, but I will see you guys a little bit later tonight with what I bought at Target. Can't wait to show you. So until next time, everybody, take care, God bless, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.